Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Herman from Universitas 11 Maret. Today I would like to share our research. The title is Optimization of Classification of Solid Waste in Palm Street Home Industry through the variation of binder materials and the particle size. So this is our team. Okay. Next, we're going to the introduction. The motivation of our study is Palm Street waste problem in the district of Dalaman, Klaten, Central of Java, Jawa Tengah. So this is the problem about the waste material from the home industry of sohon noodle. This is the sohon noodle. So what is the problem? The problem is the flow of the river. So you can see in the figure. And then also the contamination in the resident well, and then decreasing the solid quality and also the smell around the home industry. However, not only the problem, but also I think this is the one of the challenge, because every day the home industry produces around the 600 under the 700 kilogram waste of material. I think this is the potential energy if we can be utilized. Next, this is our research methodology. So in this flow chart, we describe the step by step of our research, starting from the waste treatment, pelletization, refuse derived fuel, RDF5, type 5, and then we conduct the laboratory tests, and we go into the simulation until we got the description or the potential energy potential. And then we go into the next, we go into the experiment by using the classification. And this is the waste treatment to the repository fuel RTF5. This is solid waste, and this is the binder, and this is the tool to produce the RTF5. And then we conduct the laboratory test. We have 5 the tests: water content test, calorific value test, volatility test, ash content test, and proximity test. And this is the result. We're focusing to combat the waste material of the palm, and then coconut shell, and palm, and the waste of plastic. So from the figure, we can know if the water content of the RTF is influenced by the raw material, because the blue color is RTF based on the palm waste and coconut shell is higher. The content of the water is higher comparing the combination between the palm waste and the plastic. And this is the calorific value test. The calorific value test, the plastic, the red color line or square dot, the red color. So the higher value. This is this is the ratio between the binder. So this is a zero binder. The ratio with binder is 10%, 90% until 50%, 50%. So we're really happy because we have the caloric value test is a little bit high, around the 4,000 calorie per gram. So from the figure, we know the coconut and the plastic shell aided, the greater caloric value will be obtained. So I think this is a interesting invention. Next, we already conduct the proximate volatile ash test. So we can compare. This one is the palm and coconut shell, and this palm and plastic shell. So all the moisture air trade from the coconut plus palm waste in the palm plus plastic waste is lower. And also the carbon fig, I think, is near similar. And we go into the simulation to predict the energy potential or synthetic gas. So we can, this is the result from the simulation. This is the temperature and the influence of the temperature. So this mass flow. So the most dominant element are CO and CO2, and the amount of the CO increased dramatically. This one, CO. And the important thing is the composition of CH4 and H2. So CH4 and 2, this is the decreasing with the increasing of temperature. So this is the ideal of the condition is for 500, 540, and around 550 already decreased. And then this is the equipment of the our gasification. This RTF from the waste material, and this figure show the we put the RTF into the reactor of the gasification, and this is the result from the gasification process. So the syngas composition and the low heating value of the syngas. So we can see in the table. First, the composition of CO, CO2, H2, H4, O2, and N2, and then the important thing, we have the low heating value around the 654 kilocalorie per meter cubic. So this is the waste material plus silk coconut, and this is waste palm waste with combined with the plastic waste. Okay, but the low heating value of the coconut shell higher than palm waste plus plastic waste. So I will show the short movie. So this is the syngas, and we test with the burning. So we have the blue flame on here. It's very clear, the result. And next, the conclusion. So our study, we can conclude that the pump strike waste is potential to be used as the RTF with variation of composition, coconut or the plastic. So both is waste material also. So the test of result optimum calorie value RTF is RTF with plastic mixture ratio 5 over 5, and the around the calorific value 6,311.26. And this is the conclusion of our research. So we would like to thank you for financial support from LPPM Universitas 11 Maret to conduct our research. And then thank you, and I'm waiting for your question and suggestion to our research. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.